When we designed the BTR stool, we focused on two fundamentals: comfort and convenience. And we set out to design a stool that could deliver both. We knew that there were three common factors when someone is making a decision whether or not to take a stool with them: weight, space, and time. Whether you want to give your legs a well-earned rest out on the trail, hang out around a campfire, take a seat while fishing, or just relax in the park, you can truly take the BTR stool anywhere. The BTR is ultra-light, weighing about the same as a can of beer. Its small size means it can fit in a tote bag, the side pocket of a backpack. Strapping it to the side of a camera bag makes it perfect for photography. It can easily fit in a satchel, or even a bottle cage. Super quick to assemble, you can set up the BTR in under 10 seconds. Just extend the legs, unhook the elastic strap, spread the legs, which locks them securely in place, and there you have it. All that's left to do is crack a cold one and take a seat.
Hello, we are ICECO, and we are pleased to introduce our newly designed VL Pro series of mobile refrigerators. The VL Pro series represents a significant redesign and upgrade from our existing line of products. The fridge lid is designed to open in multiple orientations from either lengthwise sides, allowing you easy access to cold storage even in the confined space inside a traveling vehicle. The multi-opening lid design also gives our customers the flexibility to find the perfect spot for VL Pro. 4 capacities are available in the VL Pro single and dual zone variants. Single zones are available in both the 45 and 60 liter sizes. And dual zone units come in at 75 and 90 liters capacities. With a large capacity of containing more than 100 cans, the independently controlled compartments can be both set for freezing or refrigeration as needed. The 12 24-volt DC ports are installed on both sides of the fridge. And the VL Pro's built-in AC transformer allows you to pre-cool the fridge from your home outlet. The conveniently placed USB outlets give the passengers an easy, stable charging platform inside a moving vehicle. ICECO continues to use C-cup compressors as the hearts of our products. We also provide a 5-year warranty for the compressor. Our engineers have also strengthened the support structure of compressor compartment and the fridge corners. Detachable handles and corner guards can provide extra clearance when the space is tight and limited. The fridge cooling rate can be selected between max mode for fast cooling or eco mode for more energy-efficient, longer-term cold storage scenarios. The triple-level battery protection setting prevents vehicle battery depletion, and the control board memory function prevents the refrigerator temperature from being accidental resetting due to accidental power disconnect or disruptions. The Pro Series is also engineered for the often unforgiving real world. They can operate normally within a 40-degree tilt. Rubberized waterproof connectors provide weatherproofing to ensure the VL Pro's functionality in outdoor or humid environments. You can adjust the temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 0 degrees Fahrenheit as you desire. The unused zone can be shut down independently for additional energy savings. Convenient interior lights for easy access in the dark. Removable wired basket allows quick emptying and restocking of the fridge. Built-in drain port makes it easy to keep your fridge clean as new. ICECO will always strive to make life easier, whether on the road or out in the wild. For this very goal, the VL Pro was born. We look forward to accompanying you to every corner of the world.
Here is the Chillbo Baggins in its natural habitat. This chap inflated his Chillbo with ease, and we're here today to help you on your way to inflation mastery, so that you too can be lounging like a badass in no time at all. Step 1. Unpacking and examining the Chillbo. To get started, simply remove your inflatable lounger from the carry bag, unbuckle and unroll. Take a moment to examine the Chillbo, and note the 2 wind pockets that have an inner lining. We're going to fill those wind pockets with air to make the most splendid of inflatable loungers. If you want to look like a dog chasing its tail, go ahead and try this technique. It won't help you, but will provide some jolly good entertainment for your friends. Step 2. 3 key points on technique. Now for some juicy tips to help you gain your dignity back. The 3 most important things to note are: 1. The swooping technique that brings the Chillbo from trailing slightly behind you to in front of you. 2. Closing the panels immediately after swooping to prevent air escaping. 3. The process is additive, so as long as you close the panels after swooping, each swoop will bring you closer to blissful relaxation. No wind, no worries. We've filmed this demo in a no-wind environment to highlight that you don't need the roaring 40s to get your Chillbo set up. Step 3. Inflation techniques. Swoop! There it is! Holding the bag with the top panels nice and wide open and arms extended in front of you. Take a few steps into the wind, swoop and close panels to prevent air escaping. Do this again for the second air pocket, and then repeat the process on both sides if your Chillbo still needs more wind in its sails. It shouldn't take a novice more than 2 to 3 swoops per air pocket. Once the air pockets are inflated, hold the black panels at either end. rolling over at least 4 to 5 times to achieve a robust seal, much like a dry bag. Notice that as you roll the panels down, the bag will become taut and terrific. Swoop, there it is! Feeling energetic? You can employ the run and gun method to inflate your Chillbo Baggins bad boy. It uses the same principles we taught you in the first method, but can typically be done with 1 swoop on each side instead of 2. Now that you have a running start. Once again, when the air pockets are about 70% inflated, roll and buckle. Can you taste that tranquility? No wind or open space? All hope is not lost. Here's a crafty method we call the billowing Baggins. With your Chillbo unrolled, press the bottom 3 panels to the ground and vigorously move the top panel up and down. Once the top pocket puffs up and fills with air, close the panels and turn the Chillbo over. Repeat the process again on this side. Quick movement here is key. Look at the Chillbo Baggins come to life. You'll be the toast of the town with the masterful stroke of the billowing Baggins method. Step 4. Longer-lasting performance. After an extended period of time, your Chillbo may look a little dodgy and depressed. Instead of starting over, here's a quick shortcut. Simply unclip the buckle and roll the panels over themselves a few times until it becomes taut, and your Chillbo Baggins will be back to its best self. These tips should help you on your way. Happy lounging!